Do you want to make sure you never miss important notification on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? With prioritized notification, your phone uses Galaxy AI to show the most important notification first. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the Setting app. Scroll down and tap Notification. Tap Notification Highlight. Next, tap Prioritize Notification. Now, turn this option on. When this option is on, your phone will highlight important notification based on your usage and the content of the notification. You can also choose which app are allowed to use this feature. For example, let's use WhatsApp. To do so, long press the WhatsApp app icon on the home screen or app screen. Then tap the app info icon. Tap notification. And then enable prioritize notification. This way, important messages from WhatsApp are more likely to be highlighted. And that's how you make sure you don't miss important notification on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.